This How to 1 Minute will show you how to stream shows on Discord. First of all, open your Discord and open the server where you want to stream. And right now, I'll show my Netflix show on my Discord. So after opening the server, here you find Voice Channels section. In this section, click on General and click on Share Your Screen and select the tab where you are watching your show. You can also share audio tab by checking this option and click on Share. And as you can see, I've successfully started streaming my Netflix to my Discord. And to stop streaming, click on Stop Streaming. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.